The buzz of a drone might have you turning an eye to the sky. But look carefully in the centre of your TV. Inside our Iron Lady, there's a tiny piece of powerful technology.
The sky's the limit as we revolutionise the way we maintain the Sydney Harbour Bridge. She's 90 years old and she is in great shape, but like all of us, she needs to keep up a bit of maintenance from time to time.
In an Australian first, drones equipped with artificial intelligence are being used to map the maintenance needs of bridges across the state.
It doesn't matter whether it's the Sydney Harbour Bridge or a bridge out the back of Burke. In New South Wales, we have a network of over 6,000 bridges. They've all got to be maintained, they've all got to be inspected.
Decked out with powerful computers and 6 HD cameras, each device captures every nook and cranny.
4,100 elements that we need to inspect regularly. 485,000 square metres of steel and paint that needs to be inspected and maintained.
They can get to those hard-to-reach places throughout the bridge.
And from there, the technology renders three-dimensional maps of the drone's surroundings.
I'm quite excited to see that we've reached to the point that we can leverage this technology to get as close as possible to the bridge and do the inspection.
Of course, with bridges comes water, but that's not an issue with a fleet of waterproof drones. Here's an underwater insight beneath the Gasworks Bridge at Parramatta. The technology crucial in the wake of a flood.
After a disaster, we can get in there and make sure that we can prioritise where we are effectively providing maintenance.
From the Parramatta River to here at the very top of the Harbour Bridge, not an inch of our landmarks will be missed. These drones capturing it all, its maintenance revolutionised.
21st century technology maintaining this iconic bridge for the community of New South Wales and the rest of Australia.
So far, 20 drone pilots have been trained, and with the program rapidly expanding, there'll be more to come. The future is now.
Oh, definitely, yep.
Lauren Tomazi, 9 News.